Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fun English Duo. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Thomas. Hello, friends. Great to see you again.
Today's topic is something very close to the heart.
Yes, it's about family.
Yes, we'll learn how to talk about your family in English.
Describe your parents, your siblings, your grandparents, everyone you love.
Talking about family is a beautiful way to practice English and also to share your story.
It's true. Everyone has a family story.
Before we start, remember to subscribe to Fun English Duo.
And like this video if you love your family as much as we do.
Yes, and share it with a friend who's learning English.
We really appreciate your support.
So, Thomas, tell me, who is in your family?
My family is not very big. I live with my parents and my sister.
That sounds lovely. How old is your sister?
She's 23. She's smart and funny.
Oh, nice. What does she like doing?
She loves painting and talking a lot.
That sounds familiar, just like you.
Hey, maybe a little. And what about your family, Sarah?
My family is small too. My parents, one younger brother, and my grandmother.
Oh, that's nice. Do you live together?
Yes, we all live together. It's sometimes noisy, but full of love.
Family noise is the best noise.
So, friends, let's begin with some easy family words.
Repeat softly in your mind.
Mother,
Father,
parents,
brother,
sister,
grandmother,
grandfather,
grandparents,
uncle,
aunt,
cousin,
husband,
wife,
son,
daughter.
and family.
Perfect. These are the most common family words.
Now we'll make sentences with them.
I have one brother.
I have one sister.
I live with my parents.
I visit my grandparents every weekend.
My uncle lives in another city.
My cousin studies abroad.
My grandmother is very kind.
My grandfather tells the best stories.
My mother cooks delicious food.
My father works very hard.
My family loves spending time together.
I love my family.
Nice and easy, right?
Yes, very natural.
Now, let's describe people using adjectives.
Okay, good idea.
My mom is kind.
My dad is hardworking.
My brother is funny.
My sister is creative.
My grandmother is loving.
My grandfather is wise.
My uncle is helpful.
My aunt is friendly.
My cousin is talkative.
Talkative cousins. I have one too.
Everyone has at least one, I think.
Let's give a few more adjectives for practice.
Okay, repeat after us.
Calm,
Patient,
gentle,
funny,
serious,
creative,
brave,
caring,
helpful.
friendly.
You can mix them with family words.
My mother is patient.
My father is brave.
My sister is helpful.
My brother is caring.
My grandmother is gentle.
My grandfather is funny.
Good. Let's talk about what your family likes doing.
Yes, add a hobby or activity after the family word.
My mom likes cooking.
My dad enjoys gardening.
My brother plays football.
My sister loves reading books.
My grandmother enjoys singing.
My grandfather likes walking in the park.
My family loves eating together.
And my family loves watching movies,
That's me too. Movie nights are the best.
especially with popcorn.
And pizza for you, right?
Always pizza.
Now let's talk about feelings with family.
Yes, emotional English.
I feel happy with my family.
I feel relaxed at home.
I feel safe with my parents.
I feel proud of my family.
I feel supported by them.
I feel loved.
That's beautiful.
Sometimes family life is not always easy, though.
True, sometimes we feel angry or tired too.
Yes, and that's normal.
We can say, I feel upset when my brother shouts.
I feel worried when my mom is sick.
I feel sad when I miss my dad.
I feel nervous when we argue.
But then we talk, and we feel better.
Exactly. Love always comes back.
Let's imagine a normal Sunday with your family.
Okay, I wake up late.
You always wake up late, Thomas?
Haha, yes, I do. Then I have breakfast with my family.
What do you eat?
Usually eggs, bread, and tea. My mom makes everything taste better.
That sounds nice.
Then my dad reads the newspaper, my sister plays music, and my mom waters the plants.
A calm family morning.
Yes. What about you, Sarah?
On Sunday, we all cook together. My grandmother gives instructions, my brother does small work, and I mostly eat.
Honest answer.
Yes, it's our happy family time.
Family time gives peace.
It does. Let's teach our listeners how to describe that in English.
Okay.
You can say, my family is very close. We love spending time together. We eat dinner together every night. We share everything. We laugh a lot. We support each other. We are always there for one another.
Those are very good sentences.
Now, practice question forms.
I'll ask, you answer, Sarah. How many people are in your family?
There are 5 people in my family.
Who is the funniest person?
My brother. He makes everyone laugh.
Who cooks the best food?
My mom, of course.
Who is the calmest?
My grandmother. She's very peaceful.
Who talks the most?
My brother again.
Every family has one.
Now, you can ask us too in your mind. Who is in your family? How big is your family? Who do you live with? What do your parents do? Who do you talk to the most? Do you have any brothers or sisters?
These are good practice questions.
Let's describe grandparents for a bit.
Okay. My grandmother is soft and kind. She makes sweet snacks for everyone.
My grandfather is wise. He tells stories about his childhood.
I love listening to my grandparents talk.
Me too. Their stories are full of love and lessons.
Grandparents make home feel safe.
And warm.
Let's not forget uncles, aunts, and cousins.
Yes, my aunt is friendly. She always brings gifts.
My uncle is funny. He tells jokes all the time.
My cousin is my best friend.
Mine too. We grew up together.
You see, family words are easy and they carry so much meaning.
Exactly. Simple sentences can express a lot of love.
Let's make a few more examples for practice.
My mother works as a teacher.
My father drives to work every day.
My sister studies medicine.
My brother helps me with homework.
My grandmother prays every morning.
My grandfather watches the sunrise.
My family enjoys being together.
My family celebrates everything with food.
Same here. Every celebration equals big meal.
Yes, that's a universal rule.
Now, friends, try to think in English. Describe one family member. Say 3 things about them. Use adjectives and actions.
For example, my mother is caring. She loves cooking. She always helps me.
My father is strong. He works hard. He gives good advice.
My sister is funny. She likes singing. She makes everyone laugh.
My brother is smart. He plays games. He teaches me new things.
See how natural that sounds?
Yes, and you can do it too.
See, let's repeat some nice family sentences together. I love my family. My family is very important to me. I spend time with my family every day. We talk, we laugh, and we care for each other. My family makes me happy. I am proud of my family.
I feel lucky to have them.
Family words connect with feelings, just like we learned before.
Right. English is not only grammar, it's emotion too.
Exactly. You can express love with simple English.
Just say, I love my mom. It's perfect English and perfect emotion.
Thomas, how do you feel when your family travels together?
I feel excited, happy, and sometimes sleepy in the car.
Yes, long trips do that. How about you?
I feel peaceful. Traveling together makes me feel connected.
That's beautiful.
Let's share a short reflection for our listeners. Family is not about perfection. It's about love, patience, and care.
Yes, even small moments like eating together or talking for 5 minutes mean a lot.
English can describe that easily. We had dinner together. We talked about our day. We laughed a lot. We felt happy.
Simple past tense, simple love. All right, friends, let's finish with a calm practice. Repeat softly in your heart. I love my family. I feel grateful for them. I enjoy our time together. My family gives me strength. I care for my loved ones. I speak about them with joy.
I share good memories with my family.
I am proud of them.
I am thankful for their love.
My family is my home.
My family is my peace.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
We loved talking about family today.
Tell us in the comments, how many people are in your family?
And describe one person in simple English. We want to read your stories.
Keep practicing English.
Keep cherishing your family.
Keep learning slowly and naturally.
And always,
Keep smiling.